Window Installation Lexington SC is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of window experts in Lexington specializes in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our window contractors in Lexington SC are here to help. Energy-efficient replacement windows Lexington are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of vinyl windows Lexington SC and double-hung windows Lexington offers superior insulation and durability. With our window replacement services in Lexington, you can upgrade your home windows to the latest energy-efficient models. Replacement windows Lexington services are essential for homeowners looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our window contractors in Lexington SC offer a wide range of window services in Lexington SC, including installation, repair, and maintenance. Whether you need new vinyl windows Lexington SC or double-hung windows Lexington, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Window replacement Lexington SC is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home windows. Our window maintenance Lexington SC services include everything from minor repairs to complete window glass replacement. Trust our window experts in Lexington to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Home replacement windows Lexington are an integral part of your home's design and energy efficiency. Our window upgrades Lexington include the latest in window enhancements and technology. Whether you're looking for new window frames Lexington or innovative window solutions Lexington, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Window estimates Lexington and window quotes Lexington SC are available for all our services. Our transparent pricing ensures you know exactly what to expect, with no hidden fees. Contact our window contractors in Lexington SC today for a comprehensive consultation and discover the best window services in Lexington SC. Window enhancements Lexington are a great way to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Our window solutions Lexington include everything from replacement windows Lexington SC to innovative window materials Lexington SC. Trust our window experts in Lexington to provide the best window upgrades Lexington for your home. Residential windows Lexington SC require regular attention to maintain their performance and appearance. Our window maintenance Lexington SC services are designed to extend the life of your windows and improve their efficiency. From window glass Lexington SC to window frames Lexington, we cover all aspects of window care. Window designs Lexington SC offer a variety of styles to suit any home. Our window specialists Lexington can help you choose the perfect window styles Lexington SC to complement your home's architecture. With our extensive range of window options Lexington, you're sure to find the ideal solution for your needs.